Okay, so we're doing some recall, tactical recall, just to start it out. And yeah, walking. These are just, for tactical recall, these are short distances. For obedience in AKC or UKC or whatever, it would be considered long. But this is just kind of warm up. You won't be able to see everything because I have to try to film and do it at the same time. And I'll swing around. There's a few people here in the park. Distractions are what they are. There he is. So I'm going to give him the signal. You're going to see him bolt here. My super dog. Click. Well done. There he is. He's getting a reward for that. To do. We're going to switch to toy stuff. Just to give him more. I won't be able to film all this. Just stuck that on there. But oh well, maybe I'll be able to film a little bit. So here we go. It's one of his many things he likes. This is the ball on the rope. He's watching it right now. Where is it? Should be in that. Okay. So we'll do it a couple ways. I'm gonna make him wait to go do it. Niet. Click. Here he comes. I can't film this very well when I'm doing this with myself. So I'm going to turn it off. Just a little bit. There he is. He can really tug nowadays. About 15 months old. Super dog. Okay. Stop. I'm a little dirty on the release.